This is Navjot Singh Mali here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Highlander Affiliate. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can make a funnel from scratch on system.io. So I will leave a link down below in my description to sign up. You can go sign up there and you will see a page like this. So once you here you just have to simply sign up here and fill up your details and set up an email and set up a password. That's it. So once you sign up you will have this kind of page here. So this is guys, this is your main dashboard. This is very simple and short video. I'm not going to take long. Okay, so this is only for the funnel, nothing else, only for the funnel. So once you have this page I'm going to bring you here like look guys, they are giving a free plan, and they are giving startup plan $27 per month. But you have to go for the free plan. In this free plan you can make a funnel. All right guys, so you can have like at least contacts for 2000 emails. You can have emails more than 1k. So this the main part for us is to make a funnel. So I will simply click on funnel. So once you here you just have to come here, simply create. Okay, so you have four options here. You can build an audience and collect emails. If you have a product to sell, you can simply make the funnel like straight way to the payment options. You can sell the product, and you can build your own custom and run on average webinar. If you have a webinar going on, and you can make a funnel on that as well. So guys, so for this now I'm going to build an email list. So this is our main part in this freedom breakthrough challenge. So that's what Jonathan Montaya is teaching us in this platform. So I'm going to make a simple and short video for you guys. So I will simply come here and write 7 steps free ebook. So you have to give a free value, so that's why I'm choosing to give a free book on my funnel. So I will be taking my audience to the another page, thank you page, so where will be the links for the sales like checkouts. So let's go guys. So I'm living in Australia, so I will select Australian dollar. So 7 steps free ebook, build an audience, Australian dollars. Okay, so simply create, that's it. Look guys, so this is very simple, and you just have to select a funnel over here. I just move this a little bit on this side so you guys can see. Okay, so simply the simplest one is this one, and there is one another one down here. Okay, so another one is this one. So this one can go with this, and this one can go with this as well. So this one is like for the welcome page, where your audience will come, where you welcome your audience. So there will be a thank you page as well, as you can see guys here. So let's start with this. So I'm going to show you like you just have to select here, simply select here, and so this is so easy guys. So once you here you can name your the step, so this is your first step. So you just write uh, step 1 free ebook. You can write like this. So this should make a sense for you guys, so not for your audience. So this is only for you, so you can understand what's happening over here. So step 1 is a free ebook. I will click on save. So my funnel is already saved. So this is the guys URL. I will come back on this later once our funnel is ready. So let's go guys. You just have to come here, simply click on edit. So this is the edit option. We have to make a little bit changes over here. We have to make it more nice and quiet, so your audience come here and they straight away get on the sales page, so okay, so I'm going to edit this little bit. I'm going to put a question mark here, and are you ready to learn? Okay, yes. So the best way to create squeeze pages, so I'm going to change little bit this. So I will what I will do, I will like to delete this. Be creative guys, you can do anything. So I will delete this one, and I will delete this one as well. So once you hear are you ready to learn, and you just come down, and are you ready to learn, uh, get this, you can say get get this 7 steps free ebook now and become a super AWFILEATE. So we are doing affiliate marketing, so that's why I'm making a book on affiliate marketing. I'm putting the book here for from Jonathan Montaya, as I have saved the picture as well, so I'm going to show you in just couple of seconds. Let me just get this one ready first. Okay, so fix this, and this is I think already fixed up. So see guys, I'm just moving this on the side at the moment. So as you guys can see, you can change over here. You can actually edit the size, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you know. So this is for the desktop, you know. So you can edit little bit here, and if you click on here, this is the mobile option. So normally our audience going to gonna see our website on the mobile. So you guys can come here and make some changes as well. So I will stay on this at the moment. So I'm going to change the book. So simply come on the book and just click on the book. You will see options here like image file and open URL, and you can show some pop-ups and open URL. So we are not taking anywhere, our audience. So simply just delete this image and upload your image. So I have already selected this by book by Jonathan Montaya, 7 steps super affiliate. So I will just insert here. See guys, this is very easy, this is not a hard, and this is very easy explained here. So just come here and download your free. So you just have to come here and rewrite this, download your free ebook. Okay, free book now, that's it. You just you can delete this one. So see guys, this is very simple and easy. So you can delete this as well. Yeah, just keep it simple, that's all. So there you go guys. So there's one more step I need to fix. So this is the button, you know. So this is the button where people going to click. They're gonna write their email name and email here, then they're going to click this. So this button will take them to the next step. So our next step will have some more information, some free value. They will be able to download the book, or they will get the book by email forwarding. I will show you in my next video what is email forwarding. Okay, so I will click on this button, and I would like to change the text over here, get the report. So I will like to change this. So just click here, that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want to change the color, you just come down and you can change the color over here. You can select black, you can select purple, red, blue. You can change into anything, you know. So I like this color. Normally I like this one, so I will keep like this. So see guys, this is looking really simple now. So you don't have to focus too much on this. So you have to stay here, send form, and you have to select the to the next step. So we are taking our audience to the next step. So our next step will be the thank you page. I'm going to show you now. So you just save this one. Okay, so this page is saved, and let's go exit. So this is the exit button, you go exit. Okay, so here comes the second thank you page. So this is where our audience going to come. Okay, so this page is similar to my welcome page. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, so same as that one, you just delete this one, and you can write step 2 uh, step 2 thank you page. Okay, so easy. So you just come here and save this, and let's go to the edit. So we still have to do some changes in this. So for the book, just delete the book and upload your the book here. All right, there you go, you have a book here now. Oh, my bad. So you just come here. Thank you for signing up. This is already written for you guys. This is, look how easy is this. Only 3 steps and you are done. Check your email box and make sure you edit this one as well, subject and from. So this will be your the subject, the email subject, and this is from, like, this will be your name. So I would like to add one more thing over here. So that will be a button, like, we need a button over here, like, so people can click on our the sales link. If you want to put your sales link at the welcome page, you are happy to do it. You can do it anytime. You just come here and do edit. Look how, guys, you just come simply here and lift this up and put it here. Okay, so you still have to make some changes. Click on this, let me bring this down. So simply it will be here, and you just delete this one. Let's delete this one as well. Okay, so what's happening here, guys? So the audience come to the thank you page, sorry, the welcome page, and they're gonna be here. So this link, you have to direct your audience somewhere. So this link supposed to go somewhere, like to your sales page, to your Facebook, to your TikTok, to your YouTube, whatever you are thinking about your audience to send them. So let's see what's happening here. Next step, URL. But if you want to open an URL, like, let's go. Okay, I wanna take my audience to my YouTube channel. So what I will do, just open my YouTube. Okay, guys. So I will come on my channel. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel, Highlander Affiliate. So I am posting some videos over here, as you guys can see. So I will just come on the URL. Okay, so I will select the whole thing and Command C. So I have copied. So I will just paste here. That's it. That's all you have to do. If you want them to stay in the same window, you can choose this, or you want them to go in the next window, you can select the new window. So this is, you have another option. And you also can move here and there. Okay, so you can change the color as well. I like this color. And you can change the height like this, and you can change the font, and you also have a subtext. You can delete that and just keep it simple. And you can move to the left, and you can move to the right, and you have one other option down here to the top, and you can make this smaller as well, like this. See, guys, so that's what I mean. So you can make it like neat and clean. Okay, that's it, you are done. So this is for the boundary. You can select the boundary color. You see the boundaries underneath, it will be black for you. So whenever someone gonna come here and click on this, click here, so this link will take them to on my YouTube channel. Let's see what we have done till now. So I'm going to click save changes. Okay, so my uh, my funnel has been done. So I will go out. Let's see what it look like. Oh, I see, this is for free, guys. I cost nothing for this. I didn't pay anything, and you guys can see as in front of you guys, I have done this it instantly free. And this is very the easy way to make a funnel and for your business, for your sales. So you just copy here. So yeah, you just come here and then paste. Okay, there you go. See, guys, how beautiful this looks now. That's it, simple. Your audience will write your name here, like my name is Navjot Singh. I already have done. So this is the emails. You select any email and click here. Then you will get this page. You will get this kind of page here. So let's copy this. Okay, so your audience will have this page and they will click here and they will go to my YouTube channel. See guys, this is so easy. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I will leave the link for the system.io and many more links to follow me on social media. Make sure guys you subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please hit the bell button as well if you want to, if you want to be notified for the future contents of mine. Thank you so much guys for staying with me. Have a good day. Thanks.